What you're seeing here is a piece of internet history.
Here at Taco Bell, my friend, we're about to deploy our device. See how it goes.
13 years ago, user Epitaph Philip published a thread on a GameFAQs spin-off forum titled, "My Dream is Becoming a Reality, Operation SodaSteal." It consists of a trick cup with a tube leading to a concealed container designed to steal at least 4 liters of soda, and like with all great visionaries, at first, Epitaph Philip was misunderstood. Why can't you just buy soda? It'd be different if somehow you could do this with gasoline or like gold or something. It's not about the soda. But today, Operation SodaSteal is more important than ever. I truly believe that this invention is the key to saving our world.
Mission accomplished?
I first heard of this story from the YouTube channel Cybershell, and he actually posted in the original thread 13 years ago. Now I know what you're thinking, Alan, isn't this just some punk kid stealing soda from a Taco Bell? Well, yes, but there's more to it than that. To the users in this thread, Epitaph Philip was nothing short of a modern day Robin Hood. At the time, Baja Blast was an exclusive flavor of Mountain Dew that was only sold at Taco Bell. That's right. In 2008, if you wanted 2.5 gallons of Mountain Dew Baja Blast, there was only one moral, just way of getting it, and that was to steal it.
Proudly say I'm one of the few people privileged enough to enjoy Baja Blast in the confines of my own home.
It was a short-lived victory. Not even Epitaph Philip himself could have possibly known how much we would need him today.
Using radio frequency identification or RFID technology to control beverage dispensing. This control prevents mugs from being utilized that were not purchased from this company. Every pour and information about every pour, including date, time, machine, location, volume of drink, and what drink was dispensed, are all recorded and put into a database for your review.
These so-called smart cups are in pretty much every theme park now and apparently most of Europe. At Universal Studios Hollywood, their soda dispensers only work with their $17 souvenir cups. And if you leave the park and you come back another day with the cup, well, guess what? It's $10 to reactivate it. To reactivate a cup so that it works as a cup. If I buy a soda cup from your fast food establishment, I better be able to fill it with 2-cent sugar bubble water as many times as I want, because otherwise I didn't buy the cup, I'm renting it. It's time to bring back Operation SodaSteal. I think if I put the backpack on like this, here's the smart part, is the hood goes down. You see that? You see that? And then we've got our modified Taco Bell cup. The barb just goes on like that. So now, watch this. I can put my hand here, and it looks like I'm holding the cup. It looks natural, right? So you think it's just like a normal cup. I push this button here, and it goes down, and it's totally ending up at the backpack.
It's supposed to be like,
What? I did. Wait, what came undone? Did it?
Yeah, this hose, is that supposed to, oh yeah, this is.
Oh no, I might have pulled it out when I was leaning over.
Do you even drink soda?
I've been trying to avoid it recently, you know, for like,
So what?
it's got a lot of sugar.
God, the machine sounds horrible. And that doesn't look like Baja Blast at all.
Wait, it's not going down.
It's making a lot of bubbles.
Wait, hold on. Do you see any? Is it? Can you look at the tube? Is there anything going?
It's not really pumping. I kind of just need, like it needs gravity for some reason.
Turns out you can't really pump carbonated fluid. In fact, soda dispensers actually carbonate the water right when it leaves the nozzle and not before. Wish I'd known that.
We just gotta get more.
There's something wrong with it.
Basically, the carbonation comes out around the spinny part of the pump, the impeller, and it forms a big gas bubble around the thing that actually moves the fluid, so the fluid doesn't move. Yep. Philip didn't actually use the design he made in MS Paint. He came up with a simpler method where there was a funnel in the cup with a tube that led to a container in a duffel bag that was always under where the cup was, so it was entirely gravity fed. Epitaph Philip may actually be a genius. So I'm gonna redesign my device so it's just like the original Operation Soda Steel, and I'm gonna go to Universal Studios Hollywood, and they're not gonna know what hit them. Now, I don't wanna waste the pump design that I already made. And luckily, this year I'm part of a YouTube maker Secret Santa. There's about 12 of us, and we're all randomly assigned to give gifts to each other. And this year, I got Kids Invent Stuff. They take kids' invention ideas and build them in real life. They're really cool. And if I reverse the soda stealing system, I end up with sort of a magic bottomless cup that refills itself, which I think is like totally an idea that a kid would come up with for an invention. Ah, child-friendly apple juice, my favorite. That's good. Another! Oh, gee, I realize that this is the exact opposite of what I was trying to do, but it's still pretty neat in a way, I think. So, Merry Christmas, Kids Invent Stuff. We millennials don't actually own things. We rent our houses, lease our cars, and borrow our educations from the man. And as if that wasn't enough, now he's coming for our free refills. And that's like literally all we have left. And it's so little to ask for. Just let us have this one thing. So after sneaking the Soda Steel components past security, I reassembled our last hope for an equitable future. My name is Alan Pan, and this is Operation Soda Steel. So this cup has already been modified to work with the soda stealing system. There's a 1/2-inch hole underneath this tape. Hopefully they don't notice.
No, I thank you.
Does anyone ever complain about like the refills and how it costs like $10 to refill the cup?
Not really, because the drinks are like $4.50.
Right.
So if you get 1 or 2 drinks, you actually paid for the activation.
Right, but then isn't the problem that the drinks cost $4 or $5?
Yeah.
There we go, like that. I'll see you on the other side. So I hit the, oh, there it goes. The device was working perfect. Oh, okay, it's a little, okay, it's going a little fast. No, that's okay, it's okay. It should.
But the man was one step ahead of me.
No! You get your next refill in 9 minutes and 46 seconds, no! It counts the volume. It counts the volume of the drink that it dispenses. Oh, no. Audrey, I think this is gonna take a little longer than I thought it was. You're okay working overtime, right? What is that? What does that mean? Is that yes? Is that yes? Okay, let's go. I'm not leaving until we have 4 liters of Coke Zero Cherry Vanilla, okay?
I had come way too far to quit now. So we spent the next 2 hours finding every soda dispenser in the park and waiting 10 minutes between refills. Nothing is going to come between me and my soda.
Keep going. Go. Are you kidding me? It's actually a video. This place sucks. Like, there's only 4 soda machines here, and my arm's getting tired. And like, as much as this does feel like stealing, when you think about it, we're actually only getting the exact amount of refills that we're allowed to. Let's take a look at what we got. Oh, look, that's 4 liters of soda, baby. This is not an amount of soda you'd ever be able to drink in the park all at once. Oh, it's spilling everywhere. It tastes really weird because we mixed like lemonade and stuff in here because a lot of the machines were out. You can really taste the peach and the cherry. I don't care that this ended up costing about $427 for the annual passes and for the cup. It's not about the money, it's about the message. Oh God, that's good. Okay, I'm at a Christmas party. We've got a gift from, I think this is from a Stephanie. Like, she used to be called a Stephanie Explains It All, but now she's just a Stephanie. Merry Christmas, Alan. I really hope you like your brand new custom-made tarot card reader. Yeah, so I use a Stephanie as like kind of a tarot card reader to figure out what I'm doing with my life.
That's scary.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I really wanted to let everyone know that, but here we are. Sending you one big hug, Stephanie. Well, let's see how this thing works. Is this like an automatic?
Wait,
What?
There's a frame with an eyeball, but on the back, there's like a whole bunch of stuff going on back here. So it says pick a card.
We picked the eye. I know, I did the same thing.
Oh, is it a touch screen?
No, it's not.
It's not a touch screen. Okay, but there's an eye here. So you just tap it. And we got the page of wands.
This card represents the adventure of impulses and deeds.
Wait,
by
it says my
Alan.
name?
Oh my god.
This is like just for me.
Try to recall a moment in your life of real happiness. Can you recall a moment from your
Well,
life?
not on the spot like that. If you're pressuring me. Oh, hi Joe. Thank you so much, Stephanie. This is gonna save me so much time worrying about my fate.
Now Alan doesn't have to talk to you directly.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why she did it.
Thank you, Stephanie. Thank you, Kids Invent Stuff. This is the 3rd annual Maker Secret Santa, and this one is the biggest one yet. There's like a dozen channels. I mean, look at all the handsome, pretty channels. Make sure you check them all out so you can see who got who and what they made. Now, we all know Christmas means presents. Presents means shipping, and shipping means extra carbon in the atmosphere. And I'm not trying to make anyone feel bad, okay? I do it too. We all participate in systems that harm the environment. And that's why Wren is the sponsor of today's video. It lets you actually do something about the climate crisis. It's a great website that lets you fill out your habits, and Wren will calculate your carbon footprint and then give you a monthly price that allows you to offset that footprint by funding projects that like plant trees, save the rainforest, suck carbon out of the sky. It's super easy, barely an inconvenience. And once you sign up, you'll receive monthly updates from the projects that you're funding so that you can see exactly what your money is being spent on. Like this biochar project in California that takes flammable biomass from high-risk forest fire areas and converts it to compost. So all that carbon stays in the ground rather than being released into the atmosphere. I've partnered with Wren to plant an extra 10 trees for the first 100 people that sign up using my referral link in the description below. So help me get 1,000 more trees growing on this planet by signing up today. #TeamTrees. Are we still doing that? Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, and thank you again to Wren for sponsoring this video.